Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Sonata Software Ltd. This is an IT company and this company is a small cap company, but it has over the past 5 years it has given tremendous growth and good dividend also. So we will be going through the performance of this company first. If you see the chart for the financial year 2016 to 2020, there was a good growth in the overall net sales of this company. The 5-year CAGR is 18%. For the profit after tax from financial year 2016 to financial year 2020, the growth was CAGR of 15%, and there is a consistent increase in the dividend per share also. The dividend per share for financial year 2020 was 20.25, and for the 5-year CAGR, if you see, there was 22% CAGR growth was there in the dividend per share. So the company is growing very fast and the dividend also growing very fast. So at this current price, we will analyze what is the benefit as an investor we will get, and what we need to do and how we need to plan our investment in this company. If we check the parameters of this company briefly, the market cap is 3,487 crore and the current price is 332. At current 332 price, the stock PE is coming 14.2%. As in IT company, this PE is very attractive. And the dividend yield is 6.11% and ROCE is 50.6 and ROE is 38.0. So this is very good growth opportunity, growth oriented company. At the same time, this is giving good dividend also. The investor will be benefited in the terms of dividend yield as well as the growth. So this is another Infosys which is under making. For the next 10 years, the company, if the company shows same growth performance, then we can, as an investor, if we invest at this current price, we will get good return over our investment. As a latest news, on 6th November 2020, the company informed the exchanges that they have fixed a interim dividend of 4 per share, and the record date for the purpose of the payment will be 19th November 2020, and the dividend will be paid to the registered shareholders on or after 26th November 2020. And the performance, the quarterly result also they have given. If we go through the quarterly result of this company, for the quarter ended September 30, the company reported 21,091 lakhs of total revenue and the profit of 5,213 lakhs. So compared to its previous quarter, there was a good growth over its total revenue as well as the profit. It's very good sign that the company is growing in terms of its revenue as well as profit. If we go through the financials of this company, the basic earning per share is 26.66 on March 2020, and compared to March 2019, there is a good growth over its earning per share, and the dividend per share also got increased in March 2020, and compared to March 2019 when they given dividend of 12.75, on March 2020 they have given 20.25 dividend per share, and earning per share was 26.66. Out of that, they have given dividend of 20.25. So the company is basically giving good dividend, and whatever earning, majority of their earning they are giving as dividend, and the shareholders are getting benefited through this dividend. Return on equity stood 41.35 on March 2020 compared to 32.44 in March 2019. ROCE also increased and return over assets also increased. Debt to equity ratio is 0.13 only, so that is very good for the company. And the interest coverage ratio got reduced from 103 to 26, but since the debt is very low that will not make any impact on the financials of this company. There is a good growth in 3-year CAGR sales also and 3-year CAGR net profit also. 3-year CAGR sales stood 16.44 compared to 15.13, and 3-year CAGR net profit stood 20.85 compared to 16.21. If we check the 5-year chart of this company, we can see that the pre-COVID level was near 330, and the maximum it has gone to 413, and after that there was a sudden fall during this March crash, and it reached near to 160 level, and after that it got recovered. So those who invested at that time, April time, when the price was near to 160 150 level, they got tremendously benefited, and their investment got doubled right now. And still at this current price also, the company is very attractive and having good dividend yield as well as good growth prospects. So fast is fast, and those who want to invest in this company, they can 30%, 25 to 30% they can invest right now, because the company is good, the parameters are good, and the growth is also good, and there is no sudden threat to the company's business. So definitely the company share price will go up, and if you get some opportunity in terms of, suppose there is a sudden crash happening in this stock market, then you can average out by investing and doing additional investment. Do not invest all of your money at this level. You can 25 to 30% of your investable amount for this company. If you are planning to invest in this company 1 lakh, then you can invest 30,000 at this price and wait for further correction for additional investment. If the price is going up, we cannot predict that, and you may lose the opportunity to invest other 70,000, but still you have, since you have invested 30,000, you will be getting benefit from that investment. If there is any further correction, you can invest additional amount. So in ticker tab, the other parameters like intrinsic value, return versus FD rate, all these dividend returns, all these parameters are green, and the PE ratio 12.44 compared to sector PE of 26.65, PB ratio 5.14 compared to sector PB of 6.64. Dividend yield is also good. Sector dividend yield is 1.23% only, and the forecast 85% of the analysts are recommending to invest in this stock. If we analyze the shareholding pattern, total promoter holding is 28.17, and the mutual fund holdings are 12.81, and the domestic institutional holdings are 13.61, and the FII's holdings are 10.41. Compared to June 2020, FIIs increased their stake, and the DII also increased their stake. Mutual fund also increased their stake, and the other parties like retail investors, they have reduced their stake. So all the institutional investors are increasing their stake compared to last quarter, so this is definitely a good sign. Overall, this company is giving good investment opportunity, and you need to keep in mind that this company is a small cap company, and the current performance and history performance is not a guarantee for the future performance. But since the company performed very well in the history, it is very good, probability is high that it will continue with that performance, and based on that we can invest in this company a small percentage of our overall portfolio. Do not concentrate all of your investment in this company, and you should not invest all investable money in a lump sum. You can step by step, part by part, you can invest in this company, and you need to take a conscious decision by doing further analysis, and take your own time and do your own analysis, and if you are satisfied with the result and the company overall financials, you can start to think of investment in this company. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.